Hello, we are from IIMS College. Please welcome to today's special menu, French menu, that is mousse de salmon canape, TAPENA de canape, French onion soup and cocoa bean. This is a 3-course of menu. There are ingredients we are using salmon, French bread, parsley, tomato, and for French onion soup we are using stock, and after that we are using cheese, and for cocoa bean we are using chicken and fresh herbs, dry herbs, brandy, wine and bacons. Now for French onion soup, just I am adding olive oil, butter, little bit of garlic and sliced onion. Brown it. Okay, just add white wine. Then followed by chicken stock. Now seasoning, salt, little bit of pepper and parsley chop. Simmer it. Okay, now this soup is ready. Now later on we do plating. Now for soup, this is a French onion soup. Here you go. This is French onion soup. Next we have cocoa bean, right? For that we need little bit of butter and little bit of olive oil too, so that butter will not burn. And I am adding this is bacon. I am adding chickens on it. This for 2 portions. This I am getting color. Sear it. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. I just want to peel the outer part of chicken. To enhance the flavor, I am adding few dry herbs. Mix dry herbs. This is after searing. On this particular pan, I am just adding few garlic chop, because I don't want to change this pan. Carrots and remaining bacon. White wine, little bit of brandy, little bit olive oil, and flour to thicken the sauce. After this, I am adding tomato puree. For that chicken, maybe 3 spoons. After that, I am adding chicken stock. Just fresh herbs, and now I am adding olives, mushrooms, 2 cherry tomatoes, and these chickens. At last, I am adding a little bit of vinegar, seasoning, salt and pepper. These things we are going to cook another 20 minutes in very low flame. Okay, after 20 minutes, now it's ready. Now we serve and we do plating of cocoa bean. Now this is a cauliflower puree. And this is green beans, sauteed green beans. And this is chicken which we had cooked before. few cherry tomatoes and parsley. This is coco bean with cauliflower puree and green beans. Okay, now for canapes, for salmon canape, and this is for IIMS canape. Just I'm adding here. This is cream. This is fresh cream, and this is cream cheese. Seasoning, salt, pepper, little bit of herbs. I'm just mixing these things. I'm adding more creams. Now for olives, I'm just adding a little bit of cream cheese and cream as well, salt, pepper, and again herbs. I'm mixing these two all together. It's almost ready. Now plating part. Butter, chop parsley.